Hello YouTube. Not too bad today. It's only actually about up little in the upper 30s, but it's so nice outside with the sun shining that we're making a little barbecue cooking grate. This is how it's gonna hook. So when it's stuck in the ground, your grate will hook on it. These are just pieces of chain, the lengths. I cut it like a little J. These are about a foot long, maybe just a quarter inch shorter after I clean them up. A quarter-inch diameter rod, got from the big box store. Got this like at a farm store. It's for a Weber charcoal grill, 13.5-inch grate. So, and this is what holds the charcoal. I thought to mention that. This is not the stainless one you put the burgers on. What ain't stainless, it's chrome plated. I didn't want that. The chrome plated one was real thin, wimpy. I didn't want that. I wanted something that could take as much fire as possible. So this is what your charcoal sets on. And we'll get this straight. So that's why I got this. It's a little bit wider spacing, bigger rod. But I didn't want the silver shiny chrome plated that you put your burgers on. I don't like them anyway. But okay, we'll quit yakking and we'll bring you back when these are all done and MIG welded on there with the MIG welder and smoothed up. And hopefully I can find somewhere to stick it out in the yard so you can see it stuck in the dirt. So stay tuned. Okay, we've got these all welded and ground down smooth and kind of self-explanatory. Have evenly spaced, hooked. I might try it that way, but probably this way. But okay, we'll go stick this in the ground outside in the yard so you can see what it looks like. So these are 12 inches. We'll probably put them 4 inches. That'd give you 8 inches above the fire, but you can always push them down further. Get in frame. Okay, we'll go out and stick it in the ground and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I think this will give you the idea. It's stuck in there about not quite 4 inches, but I got to figure the exact center. I kind of counted here. It doesn't have to be exact, but depends on the soil, how hard you pound them in. It's pretty mushy and muddy out here, so it depends on how much weight you could put on it. But you always dig a little hole out in there so the fire is a little bit lower. You know what I mean? Kind of hollow out the ground so it ain't right on top of the ground. But there you go. We'll snap a couple of pictures of everything, and thanks for watching.